I am beyond thrilled to announce my newest book, Patty Lyons' Knitting ER. This book was quite literally nearly 20 years in the making. Ever since I used to work at a local yarn store, and one day a knitter came in with a project that was kind of a mess, and I asked the most important question I'll ever ask. Would you like me to fix it, or would you like me to teach you how to fix it? Through that experience, I learned that I love teaching, and I learned that because I was a self-taught knitter who used to make swatches on purpose to make mistakes so I could figure out how to fix them, I was pretty good at explaining things. I wanted this to become a book you could grow with, and I wanted it to be inclusive of all knitting styles and methods. No matter how your stitch sits on your needle, there's going to be explanations of how to fix it. Now we start from the very foundations of knitting and we work through your stitch anatomy class and, of course, all your medical steps. We have diagnosis, reading your knitting, preventative medicine, what the heck happened there and how do we avoid happening in the future. And you have all of your treatment plans. Now, as I say in the beginning, this book will suit all levels. I say in the introduction, think of this book as a repair manual for your knitting, filled with, as the knit doctor would say, our treatment guidelines. It's suitable for knitters of all levels. That means you might find solutions for techniques you've never tried before, like brioche or cables. Hopefully, having these fixes will give you the confidence to try those techniques without fear. By the end of the book, you'll be building missing cables, repairing a section of lace, laddering up in brioche, and even performing a bit of knit surgery. Through it all, I hope you experience the exhilarating joy of intentionally making mistakes and having the power to fix them. Intentionally making mistakes. That's right. Because I really wanted this book to give you a complete learning experience. In the back of the book, there's a QR code that takes you to a swatch list of swatches that you can knit in order to practice every single fix in the book. And it will take you to 74 silent videos that you can watch and follow along with the steps in the book. So I hope Knitting ER is one that will live on your bookshelf alongside Patty's Knitting Bag of Tricks and Patty's Knitting Bag of Tricks, the official workbook. And I am so appreciative of all the love you've shown to those two books. I hope you love this one as well. Can't wait to see what you think.